Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify tech for you. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can significantly impact your computer's performance and stability: driver issues. Identifying and resolving driver problems can be tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to tackle driver issues like a pro. Let's get started. First, let's understand what drivers are. Drivers are software components that allow your operating system and hardware devices to communicate. Without the right drivers, your hardware won't function properly. Now, let's dive into our first method. Method 1. Using Device Manager. To start, we'll use Device Manager, a built-in Windows tool. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager from the menu. In Device Manager, you'll see a list of all hardware components. Look for any devices with a yellow triangle icon. This indicates a driver issue. Right-click on the device with the yellow triangle and select Properties. Under the General tab, you'll see the status of the device. If there's an error code, note it down. This code is a clue to what's wrong. Common error codes include code 10, device cannot start, and code 43, device has stopped. You can search these codes online for more detailed information. To resolve the issue, try updating the driver. Right-click on the device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will search for the latest driver and install it. If Windows doesn't find a new driver, you can also choose Browse My Computer for driver software if you have the driver file downloaded from the manufacturer's website. Method 2. Using Windows Update. Another way to update drivers is through Windows Update. Click on the Start menu, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and select Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Windows will search for and install updates, including driver updates for your hardware. This method ensures that you have the latest drivers, but sometimes it might not catch all updates, especially for older hardware. Method 3. Using manufacturer's website. For the best results, download drivers directly from the hardware manufacturer's website. First, identify the make and model of your hardware. You can find this information in Device Manager under the Device Properties. Go to the manufacturer's website, navigate to the Support or Download section, and find the driver for your specific model. Download the latest version available. Method 4. Using third-party driver update tools. There are several third-party tools available that can scan your system and update drivers automatically. Some popular options include Driver Booster, Driver Pack Solution, and Snappy Driver Installer. Download and install a reputable tool. Open the tool and run a scan. The tool will identify outdated or missing drivers and provide an option to update them. Select the drivers you want to update and let the tool handle the installation. Restart your computer if necessary. Method 5. Rolling back a driver. Sometimes, a new driver can cause issues. In such cases, rolling back to the previous driver version can help. Open Device Manager again. If updating or rolling back the driver doesn't help, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. In Device Manager, right-click the device and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation. After uninstalling, restart your computer. Windows will attempt to reinstall the driver automatically. If it doesn't, you can manually install it using the steps we covered earlier. Method 6. Checking for hardware issues. If driver updates don't solve the problem, the issue might be with the hardware itself. Ensure all cables and connections are secure. You can also try connecting the device to another computer to check if it works there. If the device doesn't work on another computer, it might be faulty and need replacement. Method 3. Using manufacturer's website. For the best results, download drivers directly from the hardware manufacturer's website. First, identify our channel, hardware. You can find this information in Device Manager under the Device Properties. Go to the manufacturer's website, Navigate to the Support or Download section, and find the driver.